Hi, my name is Michaela Harris and I want Timberlake Marketing. I just wanted to take a couple minutes today to look at where you stand online and show you what you could be doing to get more clients above your competitors. So first things first, I'm going to show you, this is what your Google Business Profile looks like. Not too bad. This is something that can easily be optimized, and all you need to do is go in, finish your profile, make sure there's no missing information, get some pictures in there that are saved as keywords, which I will explain momentarily, and go and get you some citations. Get some websites, submit your business information like your name and your address, submit that, and it'll be a citation back to your Google Business Profile, and that'll help get you above your competitors. Why that's important is because if you come here and I search, so I went by what was on your Google Business Profile, custom home builders in Huntsville, Alabama. If I come here, customers are going to see businesses in 3 sections on this first page. Most of them are never going to make it to that second page. Here's where the importance of that Google Business Profile comes in. So first, you're either going to be here in the ads, paying for them, or you're going to be right here in this Google Business Profile section. Now you can always click more businesses and go down through there and scroll and find yours, but most customers are going to go with these first 3 that they see. That's why it's important to have an optimized profile so that you can beat out your competitors and be in one of these top 3 spots. The next and one of the most important places is down here in the organic section. This is where your website comes into play. This is where you're going to get most of the people clicking to view websites, to check out other businesses, and you want your website to be on this first page. So as you can see, your website's not currently here. So if I go and I take your competitor and compare them against your website, here's what we'll find. So if I go to your website first, I see it it's pretty good. You've got a lot of content on here. We recommend doing 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and you have 1,750. So you're doing really good on the amount of content, but it's not just the amount that matters. It's having those keywords in there. And when you have plenty of images, you can save those images. Google also reads those. You save those as keywords, and I can kind of show you what I mean. Any of these images that shows up, you can, when you right click to save them, it comes up as some random coded name. If you save this as a keyword, again, I'll explain where you find those in a minute, but if you save this as a keyword, Google's going to read that behind that image, and there it's going to see that you have relevant content. So like I said, the amount is not always the only thing that matters. Is it relevant to what someone's searching for? So if I pull up your competitor, this is Rachel Brown Homes. So very nice website, very well laid out, doesn't really have a whole lot of content, but like I said, websites can be powerful. Content's not the only thing that you can do. So how do you know how to beat her? That's what's important. So if we go and we put your website into this tool we call Ahrefs, we can see that you do have some backlinks, you do have some referring domains, and you do have some keywords on there. Very important. You are generating some traffic to your website, so that's good. However, if you come and look at your competitor, Rachel Brown, she has more backlinks, more domains, more keywords, and has a lot more traffic. She has about 470 more people visiting her site. So that's going to translate into potential customers, potential clients, and potential profit. That's where it comes in handy. That's where it's important. So if you want to know how to rank above her, you basically take what she's doing and do it better. You take her best backlinks, you submit your business to those. You get the referring domains. You get her best ones out of those. You go in here to the keywords, and if you click that, you'll see what she's ranking for. So home builders in Huntsville, Alabama, 700 people search that every month, and she's number 3. Meaning 700 people are potentially scrolling right to her website. Custom home builder, 350, and she's ranked number 1. So the volume is going to be how many searches you get, and the position is going to be where they're at. So you can take and see whatever those keywords are that people are searching the most, put those into the content on your website. That's what's going to help rank you above the rest. Now, it does help to have your entire website optimized and laid out in a user-friendly manner. And just as an example, I do have a website here that we worked on not too long ago for a company in Birmingham. And you can see that it's very well laid out. We have some location pages. That is also important if you're servicing areas that are not just in Huntsville directly, but you want to go for the surrounding neighborhoods and cities. You can put those as separate locations. Also good to have your services laid out. And like I said, having a nice, cleanly built website and a nice, clean logo are extremely important. That's my advice on where I think you should start. We do offer a lot of services, but if you choose not to go with us, that's fine. Ultimately, I just wanted to bring you a little bit of knowledge to the table that'll help your business, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.